Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to look for the exact sales per variation on your Amazon listings. And before I start, I want to ask you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group, and that way you guys can have access to my weekly free trainings and also network with other sellers. Okay, and I'm going to post that link in my description below. And with that being said, here is the video for today. So a lot of you guys are asking me, like, how do you get the exact sale per variation, right, on your Amazon listing? So this one, for example, is a product with many variations. So as you guys can see here on SellerAmp, this one has 59 variations. So to answer the question, the way to get the exact variation or the exact sale per variation is to go here, right, on the variations. And then, sorry, let me actually refresh this page so I can do the first step. So yeah, this is variation. So I would go to variations and then click on check. And then here it's going to pull up all the different variations. And it's going to give you an exact percentage of the rate of the reviews per variation. So how I do this is I usually get the variation, right? So for example, this one, Macintosh, and this one's a variation. It's giving me 16% of right of all the sales. So now I go up and then I look at the exact. So I take 16% of the total number of sales, right? So it's 1,590, 1,590, and then you're getting 16%, right? Which is 0.16. So now this variation, for example, is giving you 254 sales a month, right? And then if you guys want to look for the exact sales per month of these other variations, you would do the same thing, right? So for example, for this one, it's 10%. So I would take 10% of this amount right there, and then so on and so forth, right? So 8%, 8%, 6%, 4%, and yeah, all the way down, right? As many as you want, as deep as you want to go. And then what was I gonna say? So now, right? So now, if you guys find a product with one variation, you guys can also look for the other products that inside that variation, right? So now, so for example, this one has 59 variations, which means you can possibly sell, at least 10 other variations, right, under the same listing. So it saves you a lot of time because, as you guys know, it takes time to do product research. So if you guys find a product that's good, so for example, this one, right, with other variations that are also good, you can do a reverse search on these other variations and then sell them if the numbers make sense. So for example, this one, Macintosh, signature large two wick tumbler, right? So hold on, which one is that again? Macintosh, okay. So I would click the scent, I would click the size, which is two wick tumbler, and then from here I would do a reverse search by clicking here, right there, and then under Google Shopping. So I would click Google Shopping, and then from here I would look for the exact product, right? The exact same product, exact same size, and also the numbers need to make sense. So let's see. So for this one could be tough because Amazon's on the listing. Okay. I mean, this might be a bad example, or maybe not. So okay, so let's say this one you can sell at $27, right? So $27.50. is what the other seller is selling it for. So I would look for the exact same product with a price of $11.95 or cheaper. So now I go back to Google, and then I would search this exact same product that's $11.95 or cheaper, which I don't think is here. So this one I'll probably skip, right? This one is skip. And then from here I go to the next variation. So I think it's this one. Coconut Beach, signature medium pillar, right? So here I go Coconut Beach, and then signature medium pillar is the exact size. Pillar. Okay. Is that it? Okay, that's it. And then again, you click on Google Shopping right there. Google Shopping. And then you look for the exact same product again. And this one's kind of tricky because Amazon's on the listing. So let's see other sellers. Okay, so Amazon's on the listing at $17. So this might be a bad example, but I'll just show you guys the concept, right? So now I go to Google Shopping, and then I look for the exact same product. And if you find the exact same product, and if the numbers make sense, then you would buy it, right? But for this one, obviously, it's not going to make sense because Amazon's on the listing, and then Amazon is also pricing this product at a very low price. So this one I would skip. See, and also Amazon is getting 100% of the sales, which is not good. So again, I do the same thing again. I go back to the variations and check it. And then I search for the third most popular variation here. So it's Coconut Beach signature small tumbler. So Coconut Beach, and the signature medium pillar. Wait, no, signature small tumbler. I'm sorry, size. Signature small tumbler is the size. Okay. And then you do the exact same thing, right? You go to Google Shopping, right there, Google, and then Google Shopping. And then I would look for the exact same product, run the numbers, and if the numbers make sense, then buy it for a store, right? And that's it, guys. I hope you guys got some value from my video. And again, I talked about how to get the exact amount of sales per month per variation on your Amazon products, and how to do a reverse search on other variations. And I hope you guys got value from my video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, please do so. I'm going to put my description below. I'm going to put my link below in my descriptions. And that way you guys can meet other sellers and also join my free weekly Amazon calls. So with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.